Well guys, this was a special request from Nanny. She wanted a scoop for the washing powder for the washing machine. And it had to be a certain size. I'm not sure if that is actually going to be big enough. I'll have to go and ask her. If it's not big enough, I'll have to make it bigger. Oh dear. Yeah. Right, let's have a little look. This is what it's for. Apparently they used to come with scoops in them, and they've stopped putting the scoops in them. So Nanny has to resort to using a spoon. And she doesn't want to use a spoon, so... Oh, it's gone all lumpy in there anyway. Never mind. Yeah, that's what she wants. And that's what she's currently using. She might want it bigger. And then from there, it would go in there, if it was in focus. So it's the right size for there. I won't put any in because that'll be wrong if I do it. Right. Well, we'll find out. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.